Iorwerth i fyny amdani gyda Newell. Peniad o'r bell ag Arsan. Pas hyfryd lawr y sianel ar y cynnig cynta. Abadaki yn erbyn Little. Gwaith da gan Little. Mae dal yno i Abadaki. Roberts yn cynnig i hun. Abadaki ar cloesiad at y post y pella! A George Newell yn penio gol nodweddiadol i gol gyngrair gynta'r tymor yma. Ond nid yr ola mae hynny'n sicr. Cloesiad perffaith gan Abadaki. Peniad da iawn gan Newell. Tybed i fi rhy agos i Arsan. Arsan ar gic! O, na chi roced! Mae ddwy'r Bala ar ôl 5 munud ar hugen. Naim Arsan yn syth i'r gornel ucha. Dyna gic rydd wefreiddiol i chi. Venables i fyny amdani gyda Aaron Edwards. Mewn brwydro eto. Aaron Edwards dim mynd i'r llawr. Mae di aros y lawr hefyd yn dal i wyneb. Yn chwarae parhau. Edwards yn parhau lawr. Iorwerth yn camu ymlaen. Little heibio i ddyn. Little at y postyn pella. Venables ar penir bach i lawr. Mae'n syrthio i Miles Davies! A mae Penybont wedi'i rhwydo 4 munud ar 10 mewn i'r ail hanner. Gol ddadleuol. Y Bala'n chwarae gyda 10 dyn. Aaron Edwards di aros i lawr ar ôl ymladd ar y bêl gyda Chris Venables. Mae Venables i hun yn gosod y penir bach i lawr. A Miles Davies yn sgibo'r bêl i'r gornel. Dyn ni wedi chwarae dros y 2 funud ychwanegol. Os na un cyfle ola i'r ymwelwyr ddod yn gyfartal yma'r faes tegid. Kane Owen o heibio i Roberts ac yn chwipio'r bêl at y postyn pella. Penybont yn holi am lawio, mae'r chwarae'n parhau. Reynolds yr ergyd i mewn, Absalom yn ei gollwng hi, Venables yn ei thorri nôl! Ac maen nhw'n gyfartal! Griffiths, wel na dyn nhw ddim. Dan Griffiths yn cael ei wadu gan y llyman. Cam sefyll, Venables yn cam sefyll o ergyd Ryan Reynolds. Mae'n rhaid o'r cynnig cynta am ddrama yn yr amser ychwanegol ar faes tegid.
That was a really top team in Penybont and a top game, blood and guts, a group of 2 sets of honest players going for it, and a good advert for Welsh Premier Football.
Well, obviously the result is very disappointing. We knew it would be tough coming up here, it always is, but I felt like it was a game we could come up and win. I thought there was a patch in the middle of the game, in the middle of the first half when they scored their 2 goals when they were on top. And other than that, I thought it was we were on top most of the second half. Didn't find our quality there. Keeper made a good save from Ryan Reynolds. We've put the rebound in. Whether it was offside or not, I don't know, but we just didn't quite find the quality. You give teams in this league something to hang on to, invariably they will.
Even though they got a goal, apart from the other goal they scored, which was ruled offside, I didn't really think they did enough to get to hurt us in the sense where I thought they could come back to win the game or draw. But I thought it was comfortable from the first whistle. Obviously they're going to have moments or periods in the games where they're on top, but I didn't really think they did as much to come back into the game, to get a point at least. But they are a good team though.
Today we probably had a below par 15-20 minutes and lost the game. Dominated the second half I'd say for at least 2/3, 3/4 of it, but Bala didn't really have a bad spell in that time. They defended well and did everything they had to do.
I thought first half was equal, and then I thought Penybont chucked the kitchen sink at us. We defended really well, and I think the difference is that we've defended our box really well in terms of marking men and not giving any free headers away, and I think that's the difference.
Whether it was offside or not, I can't tell you. I'll have to watch it back, and even then it might be inconclusive, but I was disappointed with the officials today. I felt let down by them, and I do quite often, to be honest.